The Asterix Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to open-source assistive technology. We offer construction kits for special input devices which enable computer control, interaction and accessible gaming at a very low cost. The Flexible Assistive Button Interface, FABI, is a switch interface for connecting up to 8 push buttons to a computer or mobile device via USB. The button actions can be defined using a graphical user interface. For example, a button can perform a key press, key hold or key toggle, mouse clicks, mouse movements or combinations of such actions using macro functions. The switches are connected via jack plugs so that standard switches or custom-made 3D printed switches can be used. With FABI, a wide range of computer games can be played, for example games which are optimized for single switch operation or games which work well with 3, 4 or 5 keys, including most retro computer or game console emulators.
Let's go!
For more complex controls, the flip mouse can be used. The flip mouse has a very low force zero weight joystick which can be controlled via lip movements or small finger movements. It also has a zip and puff sensor which can be used for clicking or switching actions. The flip mouse can store different profiles for key mappings that can be activated by the user during gameplay. This allows playing even complex games where many different keys are needed or a parallel operation of mouse and keyboard is necessary. For example, when playing Flight Simulator 2020, we need the mouse for looking around and keys for different controls like throttle, brake, landing gear, flaps and flight controls. Using dedicated flip mouse profiles, you can switch the flip mouse mappings for takeoff, flight or mouse control simply by zipping or puffing into the mouthpiece. Horizon Zero Dawn is not very accessible for people with reduced mobility. Nevertheless, it is possible to use all important controls by a combination of FABI and the flip mouse.
I'm ready. Gotta be.
Here, 3 additional switches at the fingertips enable forward, left and right movement. The flip mouse allows control of complex titles even with very limited range of motion. Here, Toby is playing Formula 1 by using the flip mouse as a finger joystick. Using the Asterix software, even more sensors can be combined for efficient gameplay. Asterix is a graphical programming environment which supports face tracking, eye tracking and speech recognition so that individual solutions can be created for a particular game or use case. Here, Harry is playing keyboard in a band by combining eye tracking and zip puffs for the selection of musical chords on the computer screen.